Hi there, I'm Louise Brace from The Scale Show. Welcome to the 7th episode in our Scale interview sessions as we prepare for Scale UK, taking place in London on the 26th and the 27th of September. Today, I have the pleasure of chatting to Francois Gouelo, co-founder and CEO of Enso Connect. So welcome and thanks for joining me today, Francois.
Thank you for having me. Appreciate it, Louise.
Oh, it's a pleasure. So Enso Connect, it's an AI-driven guest experience platform spanning 20,000 homes in over 50 countries, which is mega impressive. Can you tell me a little bit about how you help hosts and property managers connect with their guests through the guest journey from kind of pre, during, and post-stay?
100%. So we've got kind of two sides to the product. We've got the guest-facing side, which we call the boarding pass. It's most configurable guest web app, no downloads required, that sort of navigates the guests through their journey. So from verification to checking in with or without smart locks, upsells, guides, you name it. It's a place where the guest sees your brand and effectively doesn't have to ask that many questions before they're checking. And then on the operator side, we have an AI-driven unified inbox, text, email, WhatsApp, Airbnb message, with all the different configurations to streamline as much as possible communication between operators and guests.
Wow, that's incredible. So that's an incredible tool for property managers. And I guess property managers who really want to scale their short-term rental business without kind of losing that personal connection with their guests at the same time, which can often easily happen.
Absolutely.
So I can't think of anyone else more relevant or qualified to join us for our guest panel session on AI for short-term rentals at Scale UK. So I'm super excited that you're joining us. The session is titled, AI is our future, or are the machines taking over? So are they indeed? Francois, can you give me a little bit of insight into what attendees might be able to get or glean from their panel session in London, from this panel session in London?
Absolutely. So we're going to be talking about, obviously, AI, the name, but more importantly, how AI is not necessarily going to replace humans. It's going to empower them. And so those using AI are effectively going to replace those that are not using AI, and looking at where within the business you can start looking at ChatGPT or different types of AI models to enhance your team, to understand your guests better, and of course, to be more efficient in managing not just one property, maybe 10 properties, maybe 100, or maybe 1,000.
Wow, that's super. It's mega interesting for me as well. But as a content writer, I think I've got about 10 tabs open of different content AI tools and how, if they can help me, how they can help me. I didn't want to think about it in the beginning. I'm starting to come around to see how it can help me. So I know in terms of short-term operators, this kind of guest panel session is going to be really important for them. So I'm really looking forward to meeting you in person, Francois. Thanks for taking the time out today. And just one last question before you go. So your head office, you're based in Toronto, and you're flying over from Canada for Scale UK, yeah?
Is correct. That is correct.
We're absolutely thrilled that you're joining us. Thanks so much. So if you are watching today and you haven't already booked your ticket, you know where it is. The ticket link is in the credits to follow. Just 2 weeks to go before the show, so don't miss Francois and a host of other amazing speakers at Scale UK. See you in London.
Thank you.